Hi everyone, today is day 2 that I've been doing the Master Cleanse diet. Just to update on what happened yesterday on my first day. I started out feeling pretty good, but after a while, I started feeling nauseous in my stomach and I started feeling like I had a headache. And after a while, I fought through that and I got through it. Then I started feeling hungry, so I just kept drinking the mixture, and it seems like on TV they kept playing like food commercials. So I just kept drinking the mixture through it, and after a while, the hunger went away. Like I said, I started feeling bad. I started feeling nauseous. What else? 60 ounces, it doesn't really seem like a lot when you think about it, but it just seemed like it took forever for me to get through the mixture. Um, like I said, I did make it a little spicy. I overdid it with the cayenne pepper, so that was kind of an ordeal also. I took my smooth move before I went to bed. I woke up this morning and I took my smooth move again, and I've been sipping on my mixture. So I was gonna do another blog last night, but I just really didn't feel like it. Today I have to say I'm surprised because I really didn't feel any hunger. I haven't been thinking about food or anything, and it just seems like I'm feeling a little sluggish. I don't know if that's from the mixture, if I'm just tired anyway. But right now I don't feel like bad or anything. The smooth move is working, I have to say. Like I said, I've been using it before, so it's nothing new. Just my stomach has been hurting. But right now I'm feeling pretty good. I'm still working on my mixture, and I didn't make it as spicy as it was yesterday. So hopefully I can get through it a little bit quicker. And I'll probably do a part 2 to this later on tonight if I feel any different than how I'm feeling now. So, again, I hope that I'm looking to do 21 days. I'll be proud of myself if I can do 21 days minimum. But if I can do over that, then hey, who knows? But anyway, if anyone else is out there is just starting out and just want to motivate each other, uh, leave comments and replies and tell me what works best for you. Thank you.